In the Getting Started tutorial, we created a simple QA assistant that could answer questions using a document as its knowledge base. You may have noticed that its responses were short and not very insightful. Let's see how we can optimize this assistant to provide richer answers. Click on the Advanced tab and open the Settings section. Here you can change the type of assistant and optimize model and information retrieval parameters. We'll go through the 4 types of assistant you can build in another tutorial. Click on the Edit button to change the assistant settings. Let's start by changing the query mode. When we uploaded the knowledge base document, the platform split its content into chunks, called nodes, which the assistant can search. When you ask a question, the assistant will find a set of nodes that match your query. In refine mode, the assistant will take the first node it found and generate an answer to your question using the content of this node only. Then, it will take the content of the second node and try to improve upon its previous answer if it finds relevant information. This continues until the assistant has worked through all the retrieved nodes. It's a great approach if you need detailed, focused answers. In summarize mode, the assistant will read as many of the retrieved nodes as it can handle at once and try to answer your question. If it cannot read all the nodes, it will repeat the process with the remaining, generating a second answer. It will continue until it has gone through all the retrieved nodes, potentially generating several answers. As the last step, the assistant will synthesize all the answers into a final response. In computing, this is known as a MapReduce pattern. This method is suitable when you need less detailed answers that cover a lot of content. We'll choose this option for now. Next, let's change the context window and output length settings. The context window is the amount of information that the assistant can process in one go, including its input and output. It's measured in tokens, which are the units of data processed by large language models. The GPT-4o model we selected in a previous tutorial has a maximum context of 128,000 tokens, so we can use this value as the context window. Let's change the output length for our assistant. The GPT-4o model has a maximum output of 4,096 tokens, so we'll try this value. Although we are using the maximum values allowed here, you should set the smallest values that work to reduce your AI services cost. You can adjust the temperature parameter if you wish. On the lowest value, you should get the same response to the same query. We want factual responses, so we'll go with the current setting. Save the updated settings when you're ready. Let's test it out. Great! As you can see, we have improved the breadth and length of responses. There is much more we can do to enhance this assistant, which we'll look at in another video.